Welcome to Strangers on a Chain. Every financial system in history has been built on trust. Trust in banks, trust in governments, trust in institutions. But what happens when that trust breaks? In 2008, it did. The global financial crisis exposed a weakness that many people had ignored for decades. The financial system was fragile, banks collapsed, governments intervened, and suddenly, the idea that money was safe didn't feel so certain anymore. In the middle of that uncertainty, something unexpected appeared. A 9-page document published online by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea was radical, a form of money that didn't rely on banks, governments, or any central authority. Bitcoin introduced a new architecture for money, a decentralized network where transactions are verified by thousands of computers around the world. Instead of trust in institutions, the system relies on mathematics, cryptography, and consensus. Blocks of transactions are added to a public ledger, the blockchain, secured through proof of work. But Bitcoin is more than a technology. At its core, it represents a philosophical shift. For the first time in history, individuals could hold and transfer value without asking permission from any institution. Today, thousands of cryptocurrencies exist. New projects launch every week. New narratives appear every cycle, but the structure of the market hasn't changed. Bitcoin still moves first, and when Bitcoin moves, the entire market reacts. Most newcomers enter crypto searching for the next Bitcoin, the next 100x, the next hidden gem. But they skip the most important step, understanding the system that started everything. If you want to survive in this market, there is one rule you cannot ignore. Do your own research, and the best way to evaluate any project is to compare it to the principles that made Bitcoin work. Many projects promise innovation, but the real question is simple. What actually happens on-chain, and what only exists in marketing? Bitcoin is not just the first cryptocurrency. It is the foundation of an entire financial ecosystem. And if you want to understand this market, you have to start where everything began.